every stage of violin practice, we practice scales because scales are the fundamental of all the melodies and extremely beneficial. This is a tip for the very beginning of the violin study. Just because it's written in your book, I don't recommend jumping to playing one octave scale immediately if you're still new to move the bow down and up. Changing notes at every bow change can be challenging, and also because the notes pass very quickly that you might not recognize when you're not playing in tune. This ends you up practicing the wrong intonation. So here's my suggestion. I use this app ClearTune. Click the right side button and you will be able to hear a note of your choice continuously. Ideally, put your phone connected to a speaker so that you can hear it well. Let's play D major scale, for example. Set the note to D. Adjust the octave. Repeat each note, let's say 4 times, and move on to the next one. You can do it at your comfortable tempo. And so on. When you're done with 4 times cycle, up and down, move on to the 3 times per note. And so on. Then 2 times. Then finally once per note. During this set, you're also working on your bow. Make sure the bow is parallel to the bridge, and the bow is placed in the middle of the bridge and the edge of the fingerboard. Aim to get a beautiful tone. When you complete this, you're nicely warmed up and ready to dive into whatever you're working on. Happy practicing!